Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66 Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 27 of our challenge, posting on Instagram. Today I'm going to show you how to just do a simple post and we will also go over how to use the filters and enhancements and then how to edit a photo. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for your business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Let's get posting. Oh, my phone fell asleep here. That's my little buddy, Chopper. All right, so once you have your app open, you're just going to go from your profile. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom and hit that plus sign in the middle. This is actually going to bring up your phone's camera roll, and you can choose to tap a photo or video at the bottom if you want to create something new. So you can see in the very bottom bar, library is selected right now. It's black. If I want to add a new photo or a new video, I can just tap those words. You can see it opens my camera here. Look at that, how meta. Phone, in phone, in phone. I can also tap video to get those video options. I want to stick with my library. And let's do these flowers. Okay, so I tapped the picture that I want. So once you find the one you want, just go ahead and tap it in and it'll pop it right into the top of your screen for you there. And then you're going to tap next in the top right. So before we tap next, if you want to move your image around, you just tap the image, hold your finger down, and you can drag it around. You can also pinch in and out to zoom in and out on that photo. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right here. You can see it's got the nice square. That's exactly how it's going to show on Instagram. If you are wanting to add multiple photos, you can see that there's 3 little options right here. This one on the far right is called Gallery. So if you want to add multiple photos to your post, you can click the gallery and it will allow you to select multiple images. So see, now I have 1 and 2 here. I just want to do 1 today, but that's how you would post 2 of them. I'm going to untap gallery. And if you wanted to do a collage, that's that middle button. So you can do create a new layout. And it just took me right into collages. Okay, so you can play around with that as well. I just want to do my single image here. I'm not going to do my boomerang. We'll talk about that later. That infinity sign is called boomerang. And we're going to stick with a simple post for today. So I've got my flowers. I'm just going to hit next in the top right. And now on this screen, you're actually going to start being able to edit your images. So you can see just below my image, I've got all these, it looks like different colors of my same photo. These are your filters. So you can see at the bottom, filter is selected in black. So you can just tap on the different filters you want to check out. Right? Maybe I want it black and white. So you can just tap on the different ones you want to take a peek at. You can see there's a preview already for you. Once you're happy with that, let me know in the comments what your favorite filter is. Then I want one a little brighter, I think. Let's stick with Rise for now. Ooh, or Hudson. Look, see, you can really fall into the black hole here. All right, so I'm going to stick with this one, X Pro 2. All right, so now at the bottom, we have filter selected. On the right side, you can actually select edit. And I'm not going to show you all of these because, again, there's a whole bunch of options in here, but these are different editing features. So, like, you can adjust the brightness. Right, it's just a little slide there. You can always cancel if you don't like it. I do like this color one. It'll kind of highlight the colors that are in the image, and it'll put a slight filter on top of it. So if I do the green, see, it looks like extra green now. So there's a lot of green in that photo. Just hit done when you're happy with that. One way to help set yourself apart or kind of give yourself a distinguished look on Instagram is to use the same filters, and that'll give you a cohesive feel as you are posting. So if you like using these color filters, make sure you come in and use the same color enhancement overlay on top of all of your images, and when somebody goes back and looks through everything you posted, it'll have a nice, consistent, even feel. Then at the end, I'm going to go ahead and add a vignette too. So I'm going to make my edges a little darker. You can see I can really tighten it in here, or I can have it all the way out. So I'm going to do it like that. We're just going to go ahead and hit done there. So like I said, go ahead and play around with all those different editing features. The more you use it, the more you'll learn which ones you like and how you want to update that photo. The last thing I want to show you is all the way at the top, that little magic wand icon. You can go ahead and tap on that, and that'll also enhance your photo. You've got, again, your little slider, so you can see the difference on either end of the spectrum there with what you want to highlight. I'm just going to hit cancel. I don't actually want to use that. And now that I'm in here, I'm looking at it, maybe I want to use this Sharpen a little bit. So you can see if I pull this all the way over, look at how much detail you can see on the leaves in those flowers. If I move it over back to the left there, it's not quite as crisp. So that's up to you. Just like I said, go ahead and play through all those. There's a whole bunch that you can play around with. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit done. Once you're happy with your image, go ahead and hit that next button in the top right. And then you can write your post. Okay. And then you can also add any tags that you would like. And just tap share when you're ready to post. Then in the comments, go ahead and let me know what you posted today. That's going to conclude our training for the day, so remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge. I'm going to go over how to use the tags and hashtags on this screen right here, and then in a future challenge, we'll talk about posting to those other accounts as well. So, 7:30 tomorrow. I'll see you then.